battle for control of Washington, D.C.'s police force has taken a dramatic turn, with the Trump administration backing down from a controversial power grab, but not without leaving a trail of legal and political fireworks. At the heart of the conflict lies a high-stakes legal showdown over who truly holds the reins of the Metropolitan Police Department, MPD. But here's where it gets controversial. The administration initially tried to install the head of the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, as an emergency police commissioner, a move that sparked immediate backlash from local leaders and a swift lawsuit. The city of Washington, D.C. argued this overreach violated its autonomy, and after a tense emergency court hearing, the Justice Department relented. The DEA head was stripped of direct command, instead being rebranded as a liaison between federal authorities and the police force. Yet the underlying tension remains, with both sides hinting at a broader ideological clash over immigration enforcement and public safety. And this is the part most people miss. The judge overseeing the case, Anna Reyes, clarified that while the Trump administration can issue directives to the mayor's office under the 1970s Home Rule Act, it doesn't grant them full control of the MPD. This legal nuance has become a battleground, with the city's Attorney General, Brian Schwalb, declaring the crisis over command structure has been resolved, while the administration insists it's just getting started. Meanwhile, the streets of D.C. have become a stage for federal intervention. Armored vehicles now patrol near iconic landmarks, federal agents conduct random checkpoints in nightlife hubs, and helicopters buzz overhead. Officials have deployed 800 National Guard troops and 500 federal law enforcement agents, including the FBI, under the guise of combating crime. But here's the twist. Crime statistics tell a different story. According to D.C. police data, violent crime has plummeted to a 30-year low in 2024 and continues to decline in 2025, with robbery rates down 28%. So why the sudden escalation? President Trump has framed the move as a necessary crackdown on lawlessness, but critics like Mayor Muriel Bowser, a Democrat, call it an authoritarian push with no basis in an actual emergency. The administration, however, isn't backing down entirely. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi has accused Schwalb of obstructing efforts to improve public safety, while Trump has vowed to use federal forces to crack down on crime in the nation's capital. This isn't the first time federal troops have rolled into D.C., but the scale and rhetoric are unprecedented. In 1989, President George H.W. Bush deployed National Guard troops during a crack cocaine crisis, and in 2021, they were sent to secure the Capitol after the January 6th attack. Yet the current operation is unique in its direct challenge to local authority. As the legal and political war of words continues, one question lingers. Is this a legitimate effort to restore order or a power play disguised as public safety? We want to hear your thoughts. Do you believe federal intervention in D.C. policing is justified? Or does it set a dangerous precedent for local governance? Share your perspective in the comments below.